Okay, you have to check out these dupes. So this is the Must Have Beauty brand. So it's kind of like the e.l.f. brand, but look what they have. I just bought this brush on Amazon. They call this the Kabuki brush with case. It makes your foundation go on flawless. I have it in a bunch of different colors. And they even have the little mini powder puffs. I have all the different little sponges, cases for them. But wow. Super cute.